Hi, this is Gail of 876 Documents. While I'm waiting on my flight, I'll do an airport PSA. I've noticed that there are quite a number of young persons in the US, Jamaicans, trying to get their documents and they're not quite sure what to do. There have been a number of persons who've contacted me with a C passport, meaning minor, who are now getting their first adult passports. Many of them, their parents, both parents are in Jamaica. And they're trying to navigate. Now, first of all, if you are in the US and your parents are in Jamaica, you maybe sometimes feel like a fish out of water. Just know that you're not alone. You are not alone. If you need information on anything, you can give me a call. I'll answer any question that is within my capabilities. But the next thing is that if you have to renew your passport, do not send it to Jamaica, because I'm still getting that from young persons. You cannot send your passport to Jamaica to be renewed, because yes, they're going to tell you that you have to be there to renew it. So it has to go through one of the consulates here. Now, 876 Document is a document preparation service. We can assist you with the application. We will explain how the process works. We will tell you what documents are required. We will assist you with identifying good photographs, finding a notary, all of this, because persons even ask me, what is a notary? I don't know what that is. And I understand that. You're coming from Jamaica, you only know of a justice of the peace, and of course you know where your justice of the peace is. Here you're not sure what a notary is, you're not sure where to find one, and a lot of them, they require ID and they make the process so difficult. You have to bring two persons if you don't have an ID, and it's real tedious. I am here to assist you through that process. I am Gail. You can give me a call, and like I said, any question you have, even if it doesn't pertain to you getting a passport, I can assist you. So yeah, I am partial to younger people as a teacher. I'm quite partial to young persons, even though I like to tutor adults. But give me a call and I'll answer as many questions as I can, whatever is in my capabilities. So I am Gail of 876 Documents. Thank you for watching.